Wednesday night on BBC One.
A look at Monday's weather now on BBC One with John Kettley.
Hello again. There's going to be some very welcome rain for many parts of the country during the next 2 or 3 days, and the forerunner to the unsettled conditions is this weather system here, just moving into the west of Ireland with some fairly stiff winds ahead of it and some heavy outbreaks of rain connected to it as well. Now, it will be a warm day on the eastern side before the rain arrives, up to 22 degrees, possibly more over there in eastern England, but it will feel generally cool in the breeze, typically in the west 14 to 16. Good night.
And another night draws to a close here on BBC One. If you'd like some company, you can join BBC Radios 1, 2, 3 and 5. But from Arlene Fleming, on behalf of everyone here at Television Centre, I wish you a safe and a peaceful night.